And now here's Twinkle with the biscuit forecast for the British Isles.
And it's ginger nuts all along the south coast. They're great for dunking, but don't leave them out in the sun. Up in London, we got heart-shaped jammy dodgers. That's probably because the Queen of Hearts lives there. Wales and the Midlands, they're cream-crackered, and this is probably because they've been chasing the sheep around all day. It's bourbon creams right up the east coast, from Norfolk to Newcastle. Over in Ireland, chocolate chip cookies. It looks like someone's already taken a bite. Up in Northern Ireland, there's a chocolate digestive. And again, they're tucking in before the end of the forecast. Up in Scotland, it's plain digestives. Perfect for dunking, not too many calories. Back to the studio.
Hey, are any of you idle jack turkeys really bored when you listen to Morse code? Huh? You get me? Huh?
Oh god, yeah. I mean, well, take this well-known phrase. I found jam in the Hoover, and there's a hole in my helmet.
Oh yeah, that is deadly boring.
Our majestic sponsor, Billy Gator, has the answer, his latest invention, Morse click code.
My idea is to spice up that boring Morse code by adding a clickety-click to convey sadness, a dog bark for anger, a whistle for flirting, and a honk for fun. Here's the common phrase: I found jam in the Hoover. And now my Morse click version full of emotion. Here is the boring version of the wartime phrase: there is a hole in my helmet. And now with emotion.